IQST stock analysis. This is for Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. With Iqstel Incorporated, I see the price not have a change in a percentage because we just got listed on the NASDAQ. So where the heck am I looking to take this? Where the heck am I looking to do whatever, right? I'm going to do this. IQST. It's been kind of mentioned in the Discord, but unironically, just still like such a bearish market. So what I'm going to do is just do this. And only if I see some sort of a shift like this, I'm going to look to take it potentially down. Because, you know, market is fractal. So even with this limited amount of data that I have, the rules still take place, you know. Why the heck would you just go out there randomly and start doing stuff? Hoping, you know. No. Following my rules. And yeah, this is how it's looking like. So I'll keep you updated. Not financial advice. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free insights and emails. It's free.